how to get Office 365 with 1TB OneDrive storage. Okay, so first go to Microsoft.com and then you can just click on See Plans and Pricing here. Now once you're here, as you can see, you can just choose whichever one you want to use. So if you want to use the personal one, you can get 1TB of secure cloud storage. But if you want the family one, you can get up to 6TB of secure cloud storage, but this is 1TB per person. Okay, so you can just choose among which one. If you want to pay yearly, you can pay $129.99 per year. As for the personal one, you can just pay $99.99 per year. So if you want to pay monthly, as you can see, change. Now for the family, it's only just $12.99 per month, and as for the personal, it's $9.99 per month. Okay, so if you want to choose, just choose one, and then let's say you want to use the personal, you can just click on buy now and then just finish the payment process and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.